the Chevy Malibu. Nothing is coming on here. The engine is running, but everything is dead. Here, this is everything is okay. AC is running, but this is dead. So let's see what's going on. I checked all of them. They all look good. But the funny thing, it came on for a few seconds and then it died again. So I don't think it's a fuse. It's something else. So I gotta dig further to see what's going on. Decided to pull this out. Comes in a few pieces, no big deal. This is from the left side. There's make sure you take this out. There's a clip you push here. Tab. Take it out. You just grab it like underneath. Sit. You pull it out from underneath. Same thing here on this side. There's this here. Grab it underneath, push it out. And for this, so you don't break it, what I did, I used one of these hooks. I started from the bottom here, put it underneath, pull it out slowly. Do that on the left side. You do it here on the left side, pull it out, and then on top you go here underneath, you twist so it goes like that, and you're inside and you pull it out, and you're not gonna break it. And then you have let's see how they go in, and then you unscrew it from here. I'm gonna do that next. There's two at the bottom. There should be one in there, one in there. So I'll do that next. So it's like this, number 7. I'm gonna do that. Put that in there. So let's do that. So, there's a little tab back here. It sits here like this. You press on it, take it out. It's right here. That's how it is. So I think this went bad. I'm gonna see if I could send this somewhere to be fixed, and we'll see. There's a video on YouTube. I'm gonna put a link underneath, and it shows you exactly what's wrong with these. I'm gonna try to see if I can do it myself. I'm going to try to remove this plastic. There are a bunch of clips here, here, here. But there's a video that shows you very, very nice. So let's see if I can remove this. To the bottom first. So it looks. Again, there's like clips all around. Make sure you don't push them too hard, so you don't want to break them. So far, so good. So I took it out. So now I'm afraid of these, to take them out. I'm gonna try it, hopefully I don't break them, just like in the video. So let's see. I could feel like a little motor when I spin it. Okay, I can't believe it, but I got them off. Just like in the video, I have a cloth, one of these plastic. Just watch the video. But be very, very careful. Go slow. So in the video, he's saying that the problem is right there with that one. So that's really tiny. I don't know how, if I'm gonna be able to do this. That's the one, R2 or 3. That's super tiny. Just want to show you how these needles are. That's the one, 2 or 3. He's saying that's the problem. So I don't know if I can do that. If not, I'm gonna take it to a local shop here where they rebuild these, and then I will see. I think I could see on the top over there a little bit of a crack compared to the bottom. So maybe if they reheat the top, it should be good to go. But that's the only problem that I see with this chip. Out, it's working. So I tested the motherboard before I put everything together to make sure that it lights up, and it did. And then I'm gonna put everything together now, and that's it. That was the problem. That's it. Everything is back on. I forgot to mention, the guy who did the soldering is a friend of mine. He has the equipment. He does that, so if you never did it before and you don't have the equipment, I don't know, you can try it, but it's very tricky, very, very small. It's not too hard, it's pretty simple, as you can see the video. So it's not a big deal, but that's it. It works. Thank you for watching.